Hi, my name is Stephen Blake, and I'm going to display the beginning of a project I've just recently started working on. The name is pretty iffy right now, but I'm tentatively referring to it as Cardy. It uses the open source library Aforge to detect magic cards in the game Magic the Gathering and try to separate them from the image. The ultimate goal of the program will be to detect the cards, separate them from the image, compare them against a database of known card images, and try to obtain the name of the card, then perhaps look it up online, find the price of the card. A person using said program could then, say, be trading cards with their friends, snap a picture of the cards, boom, there's the card prices right there. No typing, no text, anything involved. Few seconds flat, they've got the card values. So, do a quick display of it here. So we're going to run it, load it up. So the interface is pretty simple at the moment. First we just select from a list of our webcams that have been detected, lock in, and start it up. And here I am. Hi. So, be a few filters. So the first step that I used to detect the cards, I applied a gray filter, then edge detection followed by threshold, which under normal circumstances the card, as you can see, I'm kind of holding it up, so here's what it normally looks like, and upon applying edge detection it becomes much easier to see. However, thresholding it just as it is still kind of there. So in order to be able to properly detect the card, I need to place it against a white face. So we take a piece of paper, for example, and place the card against it, and it shows up much clearer. In fact, the program's has a very easy time detecting the card now. I then just use a simple quadrilateral detection and find the edge of the card, separate it from the image. As you can see here, it's already started detecting it. However, it's much better when the card isn't moving around and there isn't a hand in the way. So, go back to normal filter and move the screen down so you can see it on the floor. And as you can see, it detects it immediately. Now I'm still trying to be able to detect when the image has been rotated. I might just add a button or something, so I gotta sometimes tweak it a little bit, and just a little bit more. There we go. And yeah, there we go. Now it settles and finds it. So you can see the image now has been cut out and it is found here. Another important aspect of the program is the fact that it can detect multiple cards at once. So, I'm going to lower it a bit more. Okay, let me just fix that. There we go. As you can see, it's actually cut out all three. An important point to note here is that it indeed detects white-edged cards, though it does have a lot more trouble finding them compared to the black-edged cards. As you can see, it's a little bit glitchy and hard. Another aspect of it, as you can see, it has highlighted them in red, so you can tell when it's there, is the fact that you are able to click and select which card you wish to look at. So you can see I'm just taking my mouse here and clicking, and there we go. So my next step now is to take this image that's been cut out, and you'll hit an OK, and yeah, compare them against a database of images of known cards and find the best matches, and hopefully, should the quality of the image be good enough, it will indeed find the card that you are looking for in the database, bring it up, click it. You now have the name of the card, all its information, and then just query against it online websites and databases to find the valued price for it. Hopefully I could port this to, say, iPhone apps or any other kind of easily portable hardware that allows a person to use this program out when they're at stores, trading with friends, etc., and not have to carry a laptop around on them. So, that's my presentation of what I refer to as Cardy. My name is Stephen Blake, and thank you for your time.